At this time, we now invite the ambassador to give her remarks.
Thank you, Mr. Master of Ceremony. A pleasant good evening to you all. Konbanwa. I am delighted to join you online this evening to witness the launch of the Traveler's Notebook, Stories of a Jamaican Journey in Japan, which is Sandy Heron's latest book. I particularly welcome this opportunity to warmly congratulate Sandy, an outstanding member of the Jamaican community here in Japan, for penning this rich collection of stories. In the short time that I've known Sandy, I've come to realize quite quickly that she has a winning blend of personal traits. She's both a dreamer and she's a doer with immense courage and immense faith. In just 2 years, Sandy, who is driven by a strong desire to help others, as well as a deep love for writing, has published 2 books documenting her experience of moving away from a place of security, comfort, and familiarity into the unknown, offering up a guide to help others successfully navigate the attendant fears and challenges. In this second book, Sandy, who works as a language teacher, shares her courageous and insightful journey in Japan, providing real-life lessons and inspirations for Jamaicans coming to live and work in Japan. For those who are interested in culture, the Traveler's Notebook also offers readers insights into Japan's fascinating culture from the lens of a Jamaican woman who has encountered this country in diverse and unique ways. As I start the second year of my tenure here in Japan, I am encouraged by Sandy's stories. In fact, this book aligns with the vision and strategy that underpin the mandate of the Embassy of Jamaica here in Tokyo, that is to forge closer people-to-people connections, promote increased cultural exchanges, and enhance mutual understanding in support of Jamaica's development. For the past 57 years, Jamaica and Japan have enjoyed a truly dynamic partnership. The continued strength of this partnership is no secret. People-to-people connections at all levels have enriched our relations with Japan, which we fondly call the JJ Partnership. Without a doubt, Jamaica's active participation in the Japan Teachers Exchange Program and the other programs with assistant language teachers have been a major contributor to the strong people-to-people connections in our JJ Partnership. In fact, ALTs like Sandy Heron serve dual role as ambassadors of our beloved country, Jamaica, as well as ambassador of Japan, their home away from home during this exciting program and activities. Whether it is through her books, work in the classroom, blogs on YouTube and Instagram, or recently helping to provide media coverage of the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games, Sandy carries out her dual role as cultural ambassador in a manner that is inspiring, forward-looking, enterprising, and substantial. The Traveler's Notebook is a timely reminder that to Jamaica, Japan will always be a valid partner and friend. By recommending this book, I look forward to the continued collaboration in the field of education, the further promotion of mutual understanding, cultural exchanges, and joint development between our 2 countries, thereby bringing more benefits to Jamaicans and Japanese alike. Sandy, sincere congratulations. I salute you on your work, on your achievements. I'm also very happy and proud to see our women in the diaspora doing excellent work, displaying great courage, determination, and fixity of purpose. I wish the book every success. Thank you. Good luck.